it going, everyone? Welcome back to another episode of Life Made Easy. And today we're going to be checking out the Lenovo 3i laptop that was just announced. This is the next gen gaming laptop that Lenovo just came out. This is kind of like the follow up to the L340 that I did a video on not too long ago. This is like the upgraded 2020 model that they just came out. I got a comment about the model name I was looking for, and I couldn't actually find it on the internet. So today we're going to be taking a look at that. But before we get into that, guys, if we just go over to my screen recorder here and go to Gaming Made Easy, guys, we're at 998 subs on Gaming Made Easy. I am 2 subs away from hitting 1,000. So if you're watching this video, please go check out Gaming Made Easy and just comment that you're the 1,000th sub, and I'll feature you on the channel. It's that easy. Please get me to 1,000 subs, guys. I literally need 2 people to go over here and click the subscribe button. It's that easy. So before we get into the actual laptop here on Lenovo's website and go over the specs, let's watch the quick trailer. Hopefully I don't get a copyright strike. I'm gonna lower the volume on this. Let's play it. I'm gonna talk over it just so I don't get a copyright claim or anything like that. Hopefully the fans kind of drown out the noise. I already watched this in advance, but yeah, this is I like the design of this new laptop. It takes elements from the L340, definitely. It's called the Lenovo 3i. So it's got the next gen processor and all the stuff like that. As you can see, they're really pushing the whole gaming aesthetic, the blue vibe to it. Sticking with the blue coloring system. You can get up to a GTX 1650 Ti, 120 Hertz IPS display. It's still going to be 15.6 inches, and it's still going to be, I'm guessing, really thin. And then, as you can see here, they're really trying to promote the whole Lenovo keyboard and stuff like that. So that's cool. Lenovo is usually known for their keyboards. Q Control 3.0, I have no idea what that is. Balance mode or whatever, I don't know. IdeaPad gaming keyboard, so performance, system updates, blah blah blah. It's amazing. Cooling. I don't doubt that this is going to be a lousy laptop. And it's got the full arrow keys, which is nice. It's got that IdeaPad gaming aesthetic on it. Comes in chameleon blue and onyx black, which is sick. Then there's Lenovo's logo, smarter technology for all. So that was pretty cool. Let's move over to the website for the actual laptop with the specs listed out. So this is kind of cool because, well, no, it's not actually kind of cool. What we see here is this is only available in Singapore, in India, which kind of sucks. But I mean, the thing is, since it's only available there, we can't actually get like a firm like US price. But what I did was I went over to like a currency converter or exchange rate converter. As you can see here, since they're listing at 1,899 like Singapore dollars or whatever, that is 1,343 US dollars. So I don't know if that's going to translate perfectly for exchange rates. But we'll see. Is that a strong or a weak dollar? I think that is a strong dollar, if I'm not, I don't know, don't quote me on that. But yeah, let's get into the specs here. We have a brief overview, and if you change this to US, it kind of just kicks you off the website, which is kind of weird. Elevate your game and esports experience with a PC that'll stand tall in your gaming circle. Engineered with up to cutting-edge 10th gen Intel Core i7 processors, discrete NVIDIA graphics, up to 120 Hz, full HD display, and an advanced gaming keyboard. So I'm excited for the keyboard. Looks like they're keeping the overall same design for the laptop. So it's called the 3i, which is kind of weird. It's kind of like i3 backwards. I don't know why they went with that naming scheme, but whatever. It's quiet, intimidating confidence, enjoy clear visuals, and tear-free gameplay on your path to domination. That is very bold. That is a bold statement. Very bold. And it's already sold out somehow, which is crazy. So Intel Core i7 10th gen processor, 2.6 gigahertz, 12 megabytes, Windows 10 obviously, full HD display. So no, we're not getting OLED here. I'm really curious what the actual US price is going to be on this, but 16 gigabytes DDR4 RAM, 512 gigabyte SSD. And remember, you can customize this. This is not just like, there's different models of it, obviously, and they're not just gonna give you one model. You can customize this thing how you want it. And if we scroll down here, well, let me just go over this first. 1-year warranty, 135 watt power adapter, GeForce GTX 1650 Ti, which is better than the 1650 base model. Bluetooth 5.0, 720p. I don't know why they market the 720p HD camera. Like, no one cares about that, honestly. ClickPad plus USB RGB gaming mouse, and Intel Wi-Fi 6. Cool. And then here are just some pictures of the laptop. Very similar to the L340, just an upgraded design. Kind of like has a hexagon design, in my opinion. It looks pretty solid. Can I get a good clear? I mean, we'll go over. Yeah, you can see I/O here, power, Ethernet, HDMI, USB-A, USB-C, and a headphone combo jack. And then what do we have? We have the Lenovo logo on top. Back of it, another angle, another angle, another angle. I see the other side. You can sort of see it, but I think we have another USB on that side. And so you can also get it in blue. I would get the black one just because it's really discreet. You can't even tell that it's a gaming laptop. Discover your next favorite game. Yeah. So GeForce GTX 1650 game. I think it doesn't come with the 1650 Ti. I think you have to upgrade to that model, but you can get the base 1650. 2 times the performance of the GeForce GTX 950M. So I have a 960M, so I don't know how that compares. And 70% faster. So it's 100% faster than the GTX 960M and 70% faster than the GTX 1050, which is awesome. I don't doubt that the cooling is going to be bad. Lenovo has pretty good cooling on their laptops. Screen's going to be good, especially if you get the 120 hertz. I've never experienced that before, but I really want to. But it is a battery drain. So here we go. Here are the different settings you can do. You can just adjust the display. You can go up to 144 hertz, 300 nits, and increase the color gamut. So right now it's only 45% color gamut, which is kind of low, but and then you can switch between the 1650 and the 1650 Ti. Same base memory in terms of RAM. Storage, you can go up to a terabyte SSD, 2 terabytes, and then 16 gigabytes of Intel Optane memory, which is pointless. 7 hours with rapid charge. So it's got quick charge. 7 hours is not that good, to be honest. But we'll have to actually get that to test out. Dolby Audio, sick. Health. Ooh, it's 0.98 inches. This is not thin. Well, it's not thick, but this is not the thinnest laptop. What is the weight on this thing? 4.8 pounds? That's pretty light, actually. As long as it's pretty, like, I don't really care about laptop weight. It's more about how big it is. And, yeah, so how big it is, and then is it portable? Weight's not a huge thing for me. But I definitely care about the thickness for sure. I can deal with the thickness. And then here we have all the ports. So we only have a USB-A on that side, it seems like. Everything's on the left-hand side. I guess they moved that over. I would like to see another USB Type-A port. Only have 2 on here, but they do give you USB-C. I don't know if it's Thunderbolt 3. It might be. I don't know. Power indicator. No, I don't know what a Nova hole is. Anyone know what a Nova hole is? Is it Kensington Lock or something? I don't know. And then you can pay through PayPal, which is cool. So yeah, guys, that's gonna be it for this video. Hope you all enjoyed it. Hope you found this video useful, just going over the general specifications of this laptop. If you enjoyed, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. and do all that good stuff. And make sure to go subscribe to Gaming Made Easy, and also the Life Made Easy podcast. If you guys want to go check this out, we've been working very hard on the podcast, so we'd appreciate if you guys went over here and subscribed, because we give awesome tips for college students and all good stuff like that. We upload twice a week, Wednesday, Friday. So stay tuned for that, 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We just came out with an episode yesterday interviewing a college athlete and how to be a successful college athlete. It was a great interview overall. And then we have one about getting better grades. We interviewed professors and all that good stuff. Our intro's dope, which is nice. And we have a new custom logo. We have 51 subscribers. Guys, help me get to 1,000 on this one, please. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next upcoming video from Life Made Easy.